So today we're going to learn about equal principal payments loan, also known as the straight-line amortization method, work and why the payment goes down every year. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna understand the loan amount is $10,000, the interest is 10%, and it's for 4 years. Okay, we assume payments for every year at the end of the year, one time. Okay, so now what we're gonna have first, it's the base pay. So what we do is take the loan amount, okay, which is $10,000, and divide it by 4, because it's 4 years, or more precisely 4 payments. Okay, so if we had the payment every month for 4 years, we'll divide 10K by 4 times 12, okay, which is I think 48. Anyway, so this is the base pay of $2,500. Okay, this is the base pay. And now each year we're gonna add the base pay to the interest. So the interest at the end of the first year is $10,000 times the interest, which is 10%, and it's gonna be $1,000, and the total payment is gonna be $2,500 plus $1,000, which will be equal $3,500. Okay. And now at the end of the second year, we're gonna have $7,500 in the loan amount, because we already paid $2,500 from the base pay, so we are only left with $750. Okay, and now the interest on that amount is gonna be 10%, and it's $750. So the total payment is gonna be $2,500 plus $750, which is $3,250. Okay, so at the end of the third year, we're gonna have 5,000, because we already paid 25 here and 25 here, which is the sum is 5,000, and 5,000 minus 10,000, it's 5,000, and the interest on that gonna be 10%, and we're gonna pay 500 in interest. So the total payment is gonna be 2,500 plus 500, which is $3,000. And at year 4, we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna left out with 2,500 to pay, because it's 4 years, so at the end of the 4 year, we're only left with 2,500. Anyway, so 10% of that is 250, and the total amount we paid is 2,500 plus 250, and then the total payment is gonna be 2,750. Okay, so this is the total payment in the year 4, a year 3, year 2, and year 1. So the total amount of money we took out of our pockets is gonna be $12,500. Okay, I just summed all the payments up, so you can look at it at every one of them together, or just 10,000 plus each one of the interest we paid. Okay, the ones here. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to your channel, it's helped me a lot. I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers. Until next time, I am out.